Hey everybody, welcome to Lake Creek Bottom Outdoors. This is a video about making a food plot down in the creek bottoms right next to the creek. What it's going to show you is basically what I planted, how I fertilized and limed, and it's going to different clips of progression of the food plot as it went. And at the very end, it's terrible. It's terrible at the end. All we can do at the end is pray that the food plot is that a blooper? The food plot survives. Okay, September 15th, 2018, Montgomery County, Texas, southeast Texas. We've already limed it and fertilized it earlier in the video, and now we are going to drag it with a harrow and get it roughed up and put some seed in. Let's get it going. Hey everybody, it is September 23rd. I planted this on the 15th, I do believe, the 14th or the 15th. So we're looking at a little over a week old already on the growth. We've had some good rain the last few days, and the stuff's already coming up. I think there was some moisture already in the soil when we planted. Got it a good jump. We're looking at just a little over a week, and I'll show y'all some of this growth that we got going here. Got some of the oats coming up, and I can't identify all this stuff. There's a bunch of different stuff in here. The bigger stuff is weeds. Hopefully it don't get too thick. But the food plot's taking on really good. Kind of give you a better look at the smaller stuff that's coming up good here. This is where I spilt some stuff. So if you look across there, it's a good solid green all the way across. I put some deer radishes out on it today just to throw some extra stuff in there. I think I got the oats covered up pretty good, and just a few of them are coming up. They're making their way through the soil still. It's still a young plant here, so there's some coming up there that was on top. Yeah, I believe it's going to be a real good plot this year. We'll just keep watching it as it grows and see how well we do. Happy hunting, everybody. I'll put my finger in front of it there. I love this tripod here, y'all. See that? Phone sets on it perfect. So
Let's watch the next clip and see how much bigger it is. September 27th. It's good. The oats have really come up. The deer are clipping it. Everything's coming up. We've had good rain. Let's see what happens next. We're almost 1 month into the plant of this food plot, and what has happened is we've had so much heat and so much rain mixed through first part of October, last part of September, that the oats burned up in this plot where they're doing good in the wooded plots that get shade. The oats have burned completely up. I'm pretty sure I can't see any, but the turnip greens and the other stuff we put in here looks like it's doing pretty good. We get some cooler weather, it should come on up pretty good. The creek is backing up onto the food plot. Hopefully that's as high as it gets. It's not on this side. This food plot is looking good. Well, this is a new one, guys. I really didn't expect it. All the rain has fallen up in North Texas. It didn't fall here. It fell up north of here. It has come down through tributaries into Lake Creek. This is my food plot that was looking so lusciously green. This is the only part that is out of the water right there. Not this, this is weeds. I didn't plant that. Some of those photos, game camera photos I have of deer, and the coyote was taken right in there. I'm hoping that this water recedes pretty soon and this starts to dry out, otherwise I'll lose my entire food plot. Well, Mother Nature's decision. But there is a lush green food plot underneath that water right there. Just one of the things that can happen planting a food plot near a creek or in a creek bottom system that is prone to flooding. So hopefully it dries out and the food plot recovers before it drowns.
See what I meant? You know, we did get a lot of rain, but we didn't get that much rain here. It rained up north of here and just drowned it. It drowned it. At this stage, I really don't know if the ground's going to dry out fast enough for the turnip greens and the rutabagas and the deer radish survive. That seems to be the only thing that has survived the amount of rain and heat that was involved in this food plot. You know, we planted it mid-September and it runs till mid-October on this video, and the food plot was doing wonderful except for right there at the second week, right there, right before the flood came in. All the oats and everything just burned up in there. I think we had too much water in the ground with the heat. It just seared it up, man. It just killed it. But the actual turnip greens and stuff did okay. Now we've got the flooded situation where we don't know now if the turnip greens will survive. I'll be making another video if it survives, like somewhere in December or January, and see what this food plot looks like. I'll just do a little short couple-minute video just to show you the progression of it. Look for that this coming December or January, somewhere in there. So thanks for watching, and keep having fun outdoors and just enjoy the outdoors. I don't know how else to say that. Just enjoy it. And if you're an outdoorsman, just do what you do. You know, that's what we love to do. I love to do it. I just love to put it on video. So, hey, keep looking for more stuff I put on here. I'm trying to get some better videos going. I'm ordering some better camera mounts and stuff. This is all cell phone recorded. And so I've got some cell phone mounts coming, and I think it's going to make better fishing and hunting shots with a little remote control that turns the cameras on and off. That's going to be awesome. So be looking for that. Hey, and subscribe so that you get email alerts when I put a new video up. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, Lake Creek Bottom Outdoors out.